Today I am going to take 12th standard business maths for you. Last session I have completed exercise 1.2. I gave some homework problems. Have you all completed? Afterwards I will check your answers. See, today I am going to take exercise 1.3, transition probability matrices. What is our topic? Transition probability matrices. That means transition means movement. Move. See, the occurrence of one event, that is move from one event to another event in a particular unit of time. That means, see here, this is the occurrence of one event. It is moved to another event in a particular unit of time is known as transition. That means in the state of Sn, it moves to state of Sn plus 1. This movement we can relate it to the probability distribution. This probability distribution is known as one stage transition probability. See, that means the general form is, we can write it as P11, P12, etc. P21, P22, etc. P31. Likewise, we can write n number of terms. This is our general terms. In the transition probability, what is the condition here means, see, our P, J, K. This one I am writing here as J and K. It should be greater than 0. This is our condition. Otherwise, our summation K, P, J, K should be equal to 1. Then it will satisfy. When it satisfies this condition, their transition matrix will be occur. Have you understood? Then next one is at equilibrium. The transition probability will be, suppose A and B. AB should be equal to 1. Then in the equilibrium state, like formula you have to write this. Matrix AB, then our transition matrix is equal to AB. This is the transition probability matrix. This one where we will use means in the share market and all we will use for the finding the profit. Whether we will get profit or loss, with the help of this we can analyze. Have you understood? Next, see here, in this exercise I am going to take first problem for you. Totally 4 problems are there. Now I am going to do first 3 problems. Fourth sum you have to do it as homework. See, our question is question and all in the book itself they have given. See, I wrote our outline. See here, 40% of the subscriber already subscribed on magazine here. Here our question is about magazine, already subscribed. 30% are new subscriber. 40% of them are after receiving the order they are subscribing that magazine. What percentage of those receiving the current letter can be expected to subscribe? We have to find the percentage. After receiving the letter, how many percentage of the subscriber are subscribing this magazine? We are going to find this. Have you understood? See here, I am going to write now transition matrix first. See, what is our transition matrix here means, first one is subscriber, who is subscribing this magazine. Yaar in the magazine is subscribe பண்றாங்களோ நீங்க எழுதிக்கணும். Next, who is not subscribing? S dash. See the question. How many is already they are subscriber? How many percentage? 45%. This I am going to write it in decimal form, 0.45. So 0.45 are subscriber. Not a subscriber means you have to subtract from this from 100. 100 and subtract பண்ணி பாருங்க என்ன வரும் 1 minus போட்டீங்கன்னா என்ன வரும் 0.55. Have you understood? 1 minus, this one you can write 1 minus 0.45. Our answer is 0.55. Not a subscriber. Next one you see new subscriber, how much? எத்தனை பேர் new subscriber னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா 30%. I am going to write it as 0.30. அப்ப not a subscriber na you have to subtract from 1. 1 ல இருந்து subtract பண்ணீங்கன்னா என்ன வரும் 0.70. This is our transition matrix. Now I am going to use this formula. At equilibrium, AB transpose is equal to AB. Here AB, here நான் என்ன வச்சிருக்கேன் S dash னு வச்சிருக்கேன். You can write it as AB or here also you can write S dash னு கூட நீங்க வச்சுக்கலாம். Instead of AB, we can use this alphabet also. S dash. This S is after receiving the order. How many of them are subscribed? எத்தனை பேர் subscribe பண்ணியிருக்காங்க? 40%. நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? How many of them are expected to subscribe? இதுதான் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். So 40% means here you can write 0.40. அப்ப remaining not subscriber என்ன பண்ணணும்? You have to subtract this from 1. அப்ப என்ன வரும்? 0.60. This is S, S dash. What is our transition matrix? Our T, this one you have to write 0.45, 0.55, 0.30, 0.70 is equal to S, S dash. Have you understood? எப்படி கொண்டு வந்திருக்குன்னு தெரியுதா? See here, in the question they have given only percentageல தான் நம்ம கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அது நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? You have to convert it into decimal formக்கு கொண்டு வந்துடணும். Subscriber கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அப்ப not a subscriber ன்னும் போது you have to subtract 1 minusல இருந்து subtract பண்ணி இங்க எழுதணும். Likewise here also 30% கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. If you subtract from 1ல இருந்து subtract பண்ணீங்கன்னா 0.70. Have you understood? இத கொண்டு வந்து you have to apply in our formula. Like formula you have to know this. S, S dash into T. இங்க S, S dash alphabets கொடுத்திருக்கிற subscriber not a subscriber னு கொடுத்திருக்கிறதுனால S, S dash போட்டிருக்கேன். You can write A, B also. Have you understood? Now you simplify this. Already you know matrix multiplication. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Like this you have to multiply. So what is the answer? 0.40 into 0.45 plus 0.60 into 0.30. Matrix la kondu vaanga. Next you have to take second column. So multiply 0.40 into 0.55, this one, plus 0.60 into 0.70. Have you understood? Matrix I multiplied, which is equal to S, S dash. Now you multiply and write the answer. See here, what you will get? 0.1800 plus here also 0.1800. Again no room 0.2200 plus 0.4200, which is equal to S, S dash. Have you understood? Now you add this, you will get 0.3600. Here if you add this 0.6400, which is equal to S, S dash. This is our answer. See, again you have to write it in percentage. Percentage ku thirumba kondu vandano. See our question here, what percentage of those receiving the current letter can be expected to subscribe? So again you convert into percentage. What answer will come? Multiply by 100 பண்ணீங்கன்னா என்ன வரும்? Here you will get 36. Here you will get 64. So our answer is 36% of those receiving the letter can be expected to subscribe. இங்க subscribe தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So you have to write this 36%. இப்ப not subscribe ன்னு கேட்டிருந்தா என்ன பண்ணணும்? You have to write this one 64%. See, our second problem is about transport system. See, in the city of Chennai, Chennaiல என்ன transport system use பண்றாங்க? How many percentage of populations are using? See, 70% of populations are using new transport system. 30% are using metro train. Then next year 30% are using new transport system. 70% of the populations are using metro train. See, suppose the Chennai city population, if it is constant, changes illama constant equilibrium position la irukumbodhu, the transport system is 60% and the new metro train is 40%. Actually you have to find what percentage of commuters will be using the new transport system. You have to find year after year. Next our second subdivision is you have to find what percentages are using after a long run. Have you understood? See, now we have to write the transition matrix form. 70%, this percentage I am writing in decimal form 0.70. This 30% I am going to write 0.30. A I am going to keep it as new transport system, B as metro train. So 0.70, 0.30. Then next year our new transport system is 0.30. So I am going to write 0.30, 0.70. What is our actual condition we are applying here? When the position, equilibrium position, AB into T, the matrix is equal to AB. Here I am going to keep it as when it is in equilibrium position, how many percentage of population are using new transport system? 60. So I am going to write 0.60. Next one, you have to divide by 100. Percentage divide by 100 panikonga. Metro train 0.40 into this transition matrix you have to write, which is equal to AB. Now you have to multiply this both the matrix. Multiply pannunga enna varum parunga. 0.60 into 0.70 plus 0.40 into 0.30. Next is 0.60 into 0.30 plus 0.40 into 7 4s are 28. Have you understood? So our answer is 0.46, which is equal to AB. This one again I am going to convert into percentage because our question is percentage. So here I am going to write 50% are using. Our A is new transport system. So 50% of population are using new transport system. Have you understood? 54% of population are using transit system, new transit system. That is transport system. Next, our second subdivision is at equilibrium. What is the condition? At equilibrium, you have to find what percentages are using new transport system. Equilibrium na enna condition actually? A plus B is equal to 1. What is the value of B? 1. In the year in the book minus A. Have you understood? So now you write AB into T is equal to AB. What is A here? AB into what is our transition matrix here? And the T எழுதுங்க என்ன வரும்? 0.70, 0.30, 0.30, 0.70, which is equal to matrix AB. Have you understood? Now you solve this. Take first row, first column, multiply பண்ணுங்க என்ன வரும்? 0.70A plus 0.30B, which is equal to equality matrix la enna varum? This first one is equal to A. Have you understood? So now I am going to write 0.70A plus 0.30 in the place of B. Instead of B I am going to write 1 minus A equal to A. So 0.70A. Now you multiply plus 1 oda multiply பண்ணுங்க 0.30 multiply by A. 0.30A is equal to A. Now என்ன பண்ணணும்? Like terms எடுத்துக்கோங்க. 0.70 minus 0.30, 0.40A plus 0.30 is equal to A. A means here 1A. Have you understood? Now 0.30 is equal to 1A minus 0.40A. Here you will get 0.30. If you subtract, you will get 0.6A. Actually, we have to find A. How many percentages are using new transport system? So 0.30 multiply. If you bring it to left hand side, it will become divided, which is equal to A. If you cancel, you get this 3 by 6 equal to A. At last, A is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 50%. 50% of the populations are using new transport system when the Chennai population is in equilibrium state. Have you understood? Remaining problems, do it as homework. Thank you.